Welcome to Hakeem Saab channel. In this channel, I give information about Unani medicine and natural medicine. And today's topic is French lavender or Usto-Khuddus, whose botanical name is Lavendola sticos and which is also known as top lavender or Arabian lavender or Spanish lavender. It is widely used shrub in Unani medicines, Ayurveda and Siddha for brain problems like brain weakness, chronic headache, migraine, cold and flu. That's why it is also popular as Jarobe-Dimag, means the broom of the brain. In this video, I will tell you what is Usto-Khuddus or French lavender, what are the benefits of it, how to use it for cold and flu, brain strain, chronic headache, migraine, bloating and indigestion, coughing as expectorant, how to make famous Unani medicine Itrifili Usto-Khuddus, what are the side effects of Usto-Khuddus, and much more. So watch this video till end. Viewers, I am a certified Unani medicine practitioner and I am treating patients with Unani and natural medicine for the last 20 years. The aim of this video and channel is to share my knowledge and experience with you. So please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for updates. Let's come to the topic. What is Usto-Khuddus or French lavender? Usto-Khuddus or French lavender or Arabian lavender or Spanish lavender or top lavender is the same plant. Its botanical name is Lavendola sticos. It's an evergreen shrub, usually grows to 30 to 100 cm tall. Leaves are 1 to 4 cm long, grayish in color. Flowers appear in late spring or early summer seasons, are pink to purple in color. It is mostly found in France, Spain, Italy, Greece and some parts of Southern Asia. Mostly in traditional medicine systems, its flowers and leaves are used in dried form. Its oil is also used in medicines. The taste of Usto-Khuddus or French lavender is bitter. What are the benefits of French lavender or Usto-Khuddus? Usto-Khuddus have following benefits. Usto-Khuddus is good for brain weakness and headache, cold and flu, epilepsy, melancholia, brain stroke, paralysis, facial palsy, bloating and digestive disorder, respiratory disorders, urological disorders and musculoskeletal disorder. Now, how to use Usto-Khuddus or French lavender for various health problems? Before I tell you this, remember in all these upcoming remedies, dried Usto-Khuddus is used. For cold and flu, you need these ingredients. Usto-Khuddus dried 3 grams, licorice 3 grams, is better to peel it first. Sweet violet dried 3 grams, water 150 ml. Add all the ingredients and boil. When boiled, let it simmer for 5 minutes. Now strain it and drink it. Take this remedy twice a day before meal. For brain strength, chronic headache and migraine, you need following ingredients for this. French lavender or Usto-Khuddus dry 3 grams, coriander seeds 3 grams, whole black pepper 6 pieces, water half cup, honey 1 tablespoon. Grind the first 3 ingredients with water, if possible with mortar and pestle. Now add honey in it. Take this remedy 1 teaspoon every morning before sunrise. It will help you with migraine and chronic headache. It also gives power to nerves and brain, so it's good for memory and other neurological disorders. For bloating and indigestion, you need these ingredients: French lavender half teaspoon, ginger grated 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1/4 teaspoon, fennel seeds half teaspoons, honey 1 tablespoon, water 150 ml or 1 cup. Start boiling water and add the first 4 ingredients in it. When it is boiled, let it simmer for 3 minutes. Now strain it and add honey in it and drink it. Drink this remedy twice a day after 15 minutes of meal. It will help in digesting food and bloating. For coughing and clearing mucus from the lungs and throat. For this you need French lavender dried half spoon, fennel seeds half teaspoon, hesp dried half teaspoon, licorice peeled half teaspoon, water 150 ml. Add all ingredients, leave it for 6 hours. Now boil it. Let it simmer for 5 minutes, strain it, add honey and drink it. Use this remedy twice a day before 30 minutes of a meal. It's a very good expectorant and cough medicine. How to make famous Unani medicine Itrifili Usto-Khuddus. Erythrifil Quddus is a popular Unani medicine that is used for sinus, chronic catarrh, cold and headache. It also improves digestion and good for chronic constipation. Regular use of Erythrifil Quddus stop hair graying and hair fall. So let's see how to make Erythrifil Quddus. For this, you need ingredients: the rind of Terminalia cibola yellow fruits 25 grams, the rind of Terminalia cibola brown fruits 25 grams, the rind of Terminalia bellerica 25 grams, Terminalia cibola black fruits 25 grams, Indian gooseberry dried 25 grams, senna leaves 25 grams, stems of Operculina tropathium 25 grams, Polypodium vulgare 25 grams, fresh lavender dried 25 grams, mastic gum 25 grams, Cuscuta reflexa dried 25 grams, raisins 25 grams, almond oil 150 ml, honey 900 grams. Wash and clean the first 12 ingredients with water. Mash the raisins and grind the other 11 ingredients. Mix all 12 ingredients well and add almond oil in it. Now heat the honey at low flame. If possible, heat it indirectly in boiling water. Honey will be thin after some time. Stop heating and mix all ingredients in honey slowly. Erythrifil Quddus is ready. Take 1 tablespoon in the morning and 1 at the bedtime. For children, use half tablespoon. Patients with problems like diarrhea, dysentery and diabetes or pregnant women should take it cautiously or avoid it. Side effects and contradictions of French lavender or Quddus. French lavender or Quddus is considered a safe drug, but it has few side effects and contradictions too. For some people, it can make problems like nausea and vomiting, especially people with hot temperament. If you feel anything like this, stop using it or use it with antidote, which I will tell you soon. If you are using any diuretic or hypertension medicine, use French lavender or Quddus cautiously with these medicines. Antidote or corrective. To counter the side effects, you can use it with lemonade and mastic gum. Dosage. You can use 3 to 10 grams depending on the age and the physical condition of the patient. Alternative. You can use Cuscuta reflexa, also known as devil's hair, if you can't find Quddus or fresh lavender. Temperament. The temperament of Quddus is hot at level 1 and dry at level 2. And lastly, various names of Quddus or fresh lavender. Botanical name Lavandula sticos. In English, French lavender or Spanish lavender or Arabian lavender. In Urdu and Farsi, it is Quddus or Jarob-e-Dimagh. In Hindi, Dharu or Alfagandharu. In Arabic, Ansel or Rawah. In Chinese, Mandarin, Zui Sao. If you or somebody else you know used Quddus or French lavender, please tell me in the comments how useful you find it. If you want to know what modern science tells us about Quddus or fresh lavender, and if you want information in this video in text form, please visit my blog. The link is in the description.
Hope you liked the video, so please subscribe my channel, like the video, comment on it, share it, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Stay healthy and happy. Thanks and salam.